Welcome back, office executives. Was presented with this Excel data and I was asked to leave a blank row after each and every entry. So here I need to add a blank row. Again, I need to add a blank row. Now you can easily assume that if the record is pretty large, here only 11 records are there, but if the number of records is maybe 33,000, 30,000 or 50,000 or over a large data set, then adding the space in between two data in between two rows manually would take a lot of time. So how can we do that using some tricks? So let me take a column. I will be making a column helper, and this helper column would help us to add a blank row after each of the entry. Let me write 1, drag all the way across to the down, then Control C, and just below it Control V. Fine. So now I will be selecting the G column. Then from the data tab, I will be selecting this one, sort smallest to largest. Continue with the expand the selection. Okay, fine. Sort. So that's how now we don't need this helper column anymore, so we can simply delete it, control minus, or you can keep it, or you can alternatively keep as it is. So in this way, see, after each and every record there is a blank space. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all guys and happy coding.